What's going on? It's your girl Pozzie.
And it's your boy NC.ABRAM.
And welcome to
Beats and Bras Recap TV.
Today we're going to show you how to shoot your own music video. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into it. Camera at. The video that we're going to walk you through today is actually our recent music video that we shot ourselves, Chips and Caviar.
Yeah.
Interior take 2, 645 349.
Here are some of our top DIY recommendations for how to shoot your own music video.
First step, preparation. So what do you do to prep for your music video?
We suggest taking the same approach that big studios and productions take for their projects. For example,
Scouting your locations ahead of time.
before we did anything, we actually location scouted, and then we took our camera, set up the tripod to actually test the shot to see if they would work before going there to actually get the shot. Setting up for our shoot tomorrow for Chips and Caviar. We out here trying to get some locations together.
Yeah, different wardrobe and everything was in our street clothes, but you can actually see the shot that we set up on the tripod. It's identical to our actual shoot.
They gon' ride, they so fly, they got vibes, yeah.
You gotta draw out a shot list.
Honestly, creating a storyboard helps your day go that much smoother. When you have everything laid out and you can actually see what you're shooting shot by shot and you can check everything off, you're gonna have a smooth day.
So investing into your own equipment is so important.
Yep, and if you don't have any money, who cares?
No
Guess
excuses.
what? We started shooting our music videos on our cell phones.
Move sharper than piranhas do.
Flow rabbit, infectious lyrics, call me Wolverine.
So money shouldn't stop you from being creative. If you don't have an amazing camera, use your cell phone, use your surroundings to get whatever it is you have up here. Just try to get it out. Use what you have until you can get what you actually want.
We set up every single shot you see in the Chips and Caviar music video.
That's right. Every time you see me in frame, that's NC behind camera.
And every time you see me in frame, that's Pozzie on camera. And every time you see both of us in frame,
That's Tripod Quest.
so the tripod played a huge role in this Chips and Caviar visual.
Definitely.
We even shrunk it down to like the mini size to put it in the trunk to get that whole Vince Gilligan Breaking Bad type of shot.
Yes.
It was really cool.
Speaking of the trunk shots, I felt like it was imperative for us to kind of shoot upward to give us like a feeling of powerful.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you guys caught that, but the trunk shots definitely came out great. Yeah, it made me feel like a badass.
Yeah.
Be ready to multitask. When you're shooting your own music video, you're probably going to work the department of about 12 or more people.
That's right.
We here, like vibe out vibes, why should we make it gas?
Okay, setting up these last shots.
Shooting through the car, we're gonna turn around and shoot the other side. It's
Yes.
beautiful. We have to set up our own lights, set up our own marks, be our own grip department, wardrobe department, makeup department, you know?
Everything department.
Everything department.
I'll give you action, okay? Action.
Editing to set decoration, camera operation, scoring.
Did y'all know that Pozzie scored this original musical short film? If you go back to it, you can listen to the top of the music video. I needed some like Wild Wild West, old school Hollywood intros. And she just went to the drum board, brought out the pad, and just started drumming, and she scored it, and she shot me the instrumental, and it was crazy. So check it out, man. It's really, really, really dope.
Aww. It's a whole DIY wave right now going on, you guys. So get creative. We're actually getting the shots inside the car, cheating some shots. And C is crazy. He's driving while getting my shots.
Turning the camera around, and then I'm driving, and she's getting
Then I'm
my
about
shot.
to get his shots.
Yeah.
You don't have to do your standard typical shots.
We straight here having fun behind the scenes, Chips and Caviar video shoot.
We highly recommend that everybody take the most professional approach to your DIY ideas.
That's right. Thank you guys for tuning in to this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube at Beats and Bras. Until next time, stay tuned.